Alright, so this is my Sony camcorder. It's a HDR CX405. And someone asked me how you can record and charge it at the same time. So the battery's in place here. Okay, battery's in there. And I've got a memory card in here. Okay, so make sure the memory card's in here. Just a little slot right here. Now this camera is a little weird. So this is the USB connector. It's tucked into the strap. So you pull that out here, and then you take your power cord, which has the female USB in it, and of course, oh, you have a 50-50 shot of hooking it up right the first time I did it right. So I'm going to plug this in, standard outlet. And plug it in. Now you can see over here the power light's on. That means that it's charging. Okay, so we got power. It's connected. It's plugged in. It's not operating off battery power. It's plugged into the wall. Well, extension cord in this case. And then you should have access to all the functions, including, and make sure your your lens cover is open, and then press the start button, and you can see it says record. So we're recording now. Okay, and then stop. So yes, the answer is yes. You can charge it and run it off of battery power. I'm sorry, run it off of direct power and record at the same time. And that's how you do it. So if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments, and please like this if it helped you. Have a great day, and see if you can help someone today. Take care.